Space is a vast area, so large that it is almost beyond human comprehension. At times it can even be a little bit scary. But after many years of research, we actually know a lot about space. This is the James Webb Telescope, a telescope which can see the furthest into the cosmos. The most distant galaxy we have found is Jade's GSC 13-0, which is approximately 33.6 billion light-years away. Through the use of the telescope, we have found many interesting things, from galaxies to comets and asteroids. This is Uy-Scuti, the largest known star that we have found out about. Uy-Scuti is 1,188,000,000 kilometers in diameter. This is about 1,700 times larger than the Sun at the center of our solar system, and roughly 5 billion of our suns could fit into it. To put it into perspective, this would reach out to about as far as Jupiter if it replaced our Sun. Even though it is that massive, it still only has about 7 to 8 times the mass that our Sun has. Black holes are another super interesting thing about space that we still have so much left to uncover. A common misconception is that things get sucked into the black holes, rather things fall into them. Even though this is the case, most of the stuff that falls in ends up getting flung back outside. If our Sun were to turn into a black hole, we would still remain in orbit. But the light of the Sun would no longer be there, so the world would end up freezing over anyway. Space can be scary, but when you put it all into perspective, it becomes a little bit less intimidating. And most of the things we might think are the worst parts are actually a misconception.